What's going on, folks? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and today we're here to check out the Rock Water Sandal from Joules Kids. Now, this sandal here is made from a man-made upper, and it features this all-over shark print that's super cool and super fun. You could spot some hammerheads, some great whites. I also see some divers around there, so your little one's gonna have a fun time wearing these and also just looking at that cool design. Up front, you have your double hook and loop closures for a secure fit that's easy to adjust. Now, the interior of the upper is lined with a soft textile, so that's going to feel great against the foot. And there's plenty of cushioning in that footbed, super squishy for comfort and support. And this all sits on top of this durable rubber outsole that has plenty of grip to keep your child stable throughout the day. Have a safe and fun encounter with some awesome sharks. It's from Joules Kids.